No matter what the job is, cat linkage pins are critically important to keeping machine operation fast, smooth, and precise. Cat linkage pins are used on all cat construction and mining equipment. Let's take a closer look at cat linkage pins. Caterpillar designs pins to precisely match machine and application requirements. Designed together as a system, cat linkage pins, bearings, and seals fit within a fraction of a millimeter. Precise component specifications ensure cat machines deliver peak performance that competitive pins just don't match. Key design advantages of cat linkage pins include outstanding strength and fatigue life. Tests have shown that genuine cat pins have a heat treat depth of up to 3 times greater than competitors. This makes them stronger and more resistant to high load conditions. High surface hardness makes cat linkage pins highly resistant to abrasive wear. Ultra-fine surface finishes give cat linkage pins smoother performance and lower wear rates. The strength and surface design of cat linkage pins provides exceptional protection from damage and wear, which can lead to poor performance, failure, and unnecessary service repairs. Where chrome pins are required, outstanding chrome thickness prevents damage to the pin surface, reduces the risk of galling, and improves the life of the pin. Genuine cat pins have up to 9 times thicker chrome than competitors. If you choose pins that aren't as strong as cat, they're more likely to fail and lead to avoidable repairs and downtime. Keep costs low by using genuine cat linkage pins. Always replace worn pins with genuine cat pins. You'll see how cat pins optimize your performance, productivity, and your bottom line. Don't let one of your smallest parts become your weakest link.